I've already taken this remote control apart. I'm now going to show you how you can move the buttons from the ones that don't work to the ones that do work. So I'm going to cut them with a pair of scissors. You can use a knife if you want. And I'm going to simply move them around and make sure that the ones that work correctly are the ones that I use the most. Now you can take out individual buttons and move it around. Bear in mind that if you do just take one out, it's quite easy for that button to fall out while you're using it. Now just clipping it back together, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.